Hey guys, this is Tian, and today I'll be doing a review of the Nobebird laptop cooler I bought for my Acer Nitro 5. So we'll start off that it has 5 fans with red LEDs. You see from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then it has this, I forgot what this is called, like a Waterberg or something. It prevents your laptop from falling when you perk it up. And this was actually back here for storage. I guess, I don't know. It seems like you may break it, so be careful. So let me put this back up here. I unboxed it the other day, so pretty much you can put it either or. This, pretty much. Here's the box. It's a cool looking box. All right, let me put this off to the side. All right, and so you can perk this up. In the back, there's 2 layers. 1, 2. See this one, 1, 2. Some of the coolers they have 7 layers. But this one has 2, which is it works for me. So, and it came with a braided USB cable. And so on the back here, it has 2 USB 2 ports, and then it has 2 switches back here. I believe this first switch is for the 3 top fans up here. Is to turn it on, turn it off. And then the second switch is for the 2 bottom fans right here. Turn it on, turn it off. So you can have 3 up here, or you have 2 down here. Or you can have all of them running. It doesn't adjust the speed. I believe the speed is 1400 RPM. It only turns it on or turns it off. But the 1400 RPM is good enough. It cools down the laptop. All right, and it's light enough where you can possibly carry it around with you. But for me personally, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna leave it at home. All right, so I'll give you a brief demonstration of it. Let's go check it out. All right guys, so here is my laptop. It's already on the laptop cooler. And I'll go ahead and show it to you. Unplug some of this stuff here. Oh. And okay. There's a cooler running. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, good. And the switch is on the back. Let me hold this way up here. Let me pull this off here. No worries, no worries. Everything will work out. No worries. All right, there's it, 3 running. Then you remove the other switch, 2 switches. Second switch, now all 5 of them are running. Here's the thing that holds up your laptop. I forgot what's it called, a Walfer or something. Looks pretty good. You could turn them all off if you want. So none's running. Even if they're all off, this in general will provide better cooling for your laptop because it's perked up. As you can tell, this little stand right here is perking up your laptop. And for that, there's 2 layers. There's a smaller one. Let me show you here. It's smaller, and then there's a longer one. I typically use the longer one, but here you go. It locks. It seems sturdy, well built. All right, and then you have your 2 USB 2 ports. The one thing that I dislike is that they're in the back, so you'd have to reach around the back and then, you know, find your USB ports, your switches. But you'll get used to that in no time. Okay, let's turn them back on. This switch turns up the top 3, and the second switch turns up the bottom 2. Typically, I'll probably leave them all running when I'm gaming or do something high intensive task. But for now, I'll just leave them all running. I would hope that it would cool down my laptop about 5 to 10 degrees. It should be good enough. Put your laptop on here. This thing prevents it from falling. Another thing to be careful of is your webcam. When you close your laptop, your webcam might hit the, well, whatever this is called, the thing that holds up your laptop to prevent it from falling. So just kind of scoot it up just a little bit like this, you'll be fine. And I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, so there you have it. It's pretty good. Alright, so guys, this has been my video on the Nobebird laptop cooling laptop cooler. But I'll give this a rating of, gosh, probably a 4.5 out of 5. Mainly, I don't know, for me, having the controls on the back, it's a bit inconvenient. I wish they were on the side. And what else here? And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. Controls. But other than that, it's a good laptop cooler. So if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.